impact of Hurricane Melissa, the strongest storm in its history. Approaching the island with sustained wind speeds reaching 295 kilometers per hour, the hurricane posed an unprecedented threat, not only to Jamaica, but to the entire Atlantic basin. Warnings issued days in advance by the government and international meteorological agencies predicted the destructive power of this storm. However, the true face of the storm turned the phrase disaster of the century into reality for the Jamaican people the moment it made landfall. The scale of the damage caused by the winds in the eye wall, combined with rainfall approaching 3 meters, made structural collapse, flooding, and mass displacement inevitable in many parts of the country. Melissa went down in history as the first Category 5 hurricane to hit Jamaica. No storm in the country's history had ever made landfall with such high wind speeds. The massive system, which headed towards St. Elizabeth Parish, knocked out power lines, toppled lighting poles, and damaged buildings along the coastline in many residential areas with the massive water it carried. The Jamaica Meteorological Service announced that the pressure at the center of the storm was measured at 901 millibars. This was recorded as one of the lowest values in Atlantic history. A pressure drop of this magnitude meant that a massive accumulation of energy in the atmosphere had hit land. Even hours before the hurricane reached the country, its effects were already being felt. Jamaican Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications, and